home should tell a story of who you are and be a collection of what you love. Well, I'm Gracie with WTI, and that's exactly why I got this hugging couple statue from Katoonx. To me, this statue represents love and a close bond with my husband, and I don't want to get too sentimental, but the statue truly makes me happy every time I look at it. They're made out of ceramic and they have this pebbled popcorn ceiling-like texture to them. They feel really solid. They actually have more weight to them than I thought they would, which I love knowing that they're nice and stable on my shelves. And what's really nice is they include these small sticky felt pads that you can stick on the bottom of each statue to help prevent any scratches on your surface if you move them around, which I thought was a really nice touch. They were protected nicely during shipping, and I was super impressed with the size of these. They are definitely noticeable and make a statement right away. I think this would make an ideal gift for someone who is newly engaged or married, or for a wedding anniversary present. I think this is such a lovely and elegant piece that will bring warmth and just happy feels to any room that you place it in. And that's my point of view.